gone. So we've got this pile here of just scrap. Ooh, so tired I can hardly walk. These, some sticks, and another pile of crap. And then John stripped these for kindling. It's the space looking good. So, some of the trees that came down. Oh. Some more logs. Some stuff we haven't sorted, just run out of steam at the last minute. There's 3 off there as well. And another one off there. And tons more logs. Honestly, I have never seen 2 men work so hard in my life. It's looking good, really pleased. And there's still a chimney. We've still got a ring of trees, which is really cool. Quick look from outside. So, 11 trees felled and not one thing broken. Let's have a look back. Didn't hit the caravan, that's good. It's looking good. There we go. Pan round. Really happy with that. Thank you, Phil and Jamie.